It's for someone who grew up ekasi, for someone like it's hard to picture yourself mhlampe sigcine sesifana nawe. So we have to know what inspired you ukuthi ufuna ukuba different and not fall for the cycle that exists in the township yokuthi you might end up being what happened that changed your life ukuthi nope you're chasing the dream.
No, with iphupho nkosi yami belihlezi liyiphupho from a very long time, from a very young age, you know.
True.
Bekuhleli kuyiphupho nje ukuthi umuntu unephupho. It was not necessarily to be on screen. I didn't see that happening. Angitshela ukuthi angizophepha kuma-theatre, do what I love, and then grow up and go work a regular job, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But ngavuka ngolunye usuku mfowethu nami ngayithola senge-actor ngempela, hawu nakho nami sengikwi-TV and all of that.